American Standard AC displays sometimes show a blank screen, a common problem often stemming from electrical faults or software glitches in the thermostat's control board. This issue frequently appears as a completely blank display on your thermostat, preventing you from controlling your air conditioning system. The thermostat display is your interface for monitoring and adjusting your home's temperature and air conditioning settings. This blank screen problem stems from several key issues in the thermostat's control board. First, electrical faults like low voltage from depleted batteries or wiring problems can cause the display to go blank. Proper wiring is essential, as shown in this diagram where the thermostat connects to power sources and AC components. Second, capacitor degradation occurs when the electrolytic capacitors in the control board wear out after years of use. As you can see in this close-up, failed capacitors show visible signs of degradation like crusty buildup. Third, software glitches from outdated firmware can cause the display to freeze or go blank. These problems occur due to normal wear and tear, environmental factors, or lack of maintenance in your HVAC system. American Standard thermostats, like many electronic devices, are susceptible to these common failure modes over time. Understanding how electrical components like relays work in your thermostat helps explain why power issues cause blank screens. Understanding these root causes will help you troubleshoot your American Standard AC display effectively. The blank screen can be caused by several factors. Let's examine the main causes: power supply issues, component degradation, and software problems. First, check the power supply. American Standard units need 24 volts alternating current. Drops below 18 volts can cause the display to go blank. Second, component degradation. Electrolytic capacitors in the display circuit can degrade over time, especially in humid environments, leading to failures. Third, software issues. Outdated firmware in the thermostat can cause display lockups, especially in smart models connected to Wi-Fi. Identifying the specific cause, whether it's power, components, or software, is the crucial first step to effectively fixing the blank screen issue. Before calling a technician, try these quick fixes for your American Standard AC display. Start by checking the power source and ensuring it's properly connected. American Standard units require 24 VAC from the HVAC system, and a drop below 18 volts can trigger blank screens. Next, reset the display by holding the power button for 10 seconds to initiate a power cycle. This can clear temporary software glitches that cause blank screens. For a complete power cycle, follow these steps. Shut down the device, disconnect from power, wait 30 seconds, reconnect power, and press the power button. This process can resolve capacitor degradation issues. For smart models connected to Wi-Fi, check your internet connection. Software glitches in AccuLink systems can cause blank screens if the device loses connectivity. Ensure the thermostat is connected to your home network. These simple steps can often resolve temporary software glitches and prevent the need for costly repairs. If issues persist, professional inspection may be required. Outdated firmware is a frequent culprit behind blank screens on American Standard AC displays. Update your American Standard thermostat via the American Standard app or by connecting via USB. Firmware Update 3.2, released in early 2025, specifically addresses blank screen issues related to capacitor failures. These issues stem from component degradation in the display circuit. Updating can significantly reduce the occurrence of blank screen problems. If resetting your display and updating firmware don't resolve the blank screen, you likely have a hardware issue like a faulty capacitor or failing control board. These components can degrade over time, especially in humid environments, leading to intermittent blank screens. Professional inspection and repair is recommended for these hardware failures. Board replacement typically costs between $100 and $300, depending on the model and labor. Don't attempt complex repairs yourself. HVAC systems involve high-voltage components that can be dangerous if mishandled. American Standard, under Train Technologies, has actively addressed the blank screen issue in their AC displays. In late 2023, they recalled 50,000 units of the TZM200 series due to capacitor defects that were causing blank displays. Affected users received replacement boards free of charge, with a 98% satisfaction rate after the fix. Beyond recalls, American Standard offers the Display Health Check program, providing free diagnostics for older units. They have also released firmware updates that have been applied to over 500,000 units globally, helping prevent blank screen issues through proactive maintenance. Staying informed about these initiatives can save you both time and money. The future of HVC displays is evolving rapidly away from physical screens. A major trend is the adoption of app-based controls, where users manage their systems through intuitive smartphone applications. This provides remote access and eliminates the need for physical interfaces. American Standard is leading this change by integrating artificial intelligence for predictive diagnostics. AI systems can detect potential blank screen issues before they happen and automatically apply firmware updates to prevent failures. Looking ahead, future HVAC systems will incorporate voice assistants and advanced smartphone interfaces. Users will control their climate systems using natural language commands or sophisticated app features, making operation even more convenient. Ultimately, this shift may lead to completely display-less systems. By removing physical screens entirely, manufacturers can significantly reduce hardware failures and create more reliable, software-driven climate control solutions. Preventing blank screens on your American Standard AC display requires proactive maintenance and awareness of environmental factors. Let's explore key preventive measures. Regular system maintenance is crucial. Perform routine checks on your HVAC components, including power sources and wiring. Using a preventive maintenance checklist helps identify potential problems before they cause blank screens. Protect your system from power surges, which can cause blank screens by damaging internal components. Install quality surge protectors in your electrical setup. The circuit diagram shows how surge protectors intercept voltage spikes before they reach your HVAC equipment. Environmental factors play a significant role. In humid coastal areas, moisture can degrade capacitors and other components. The table shows how different activities generate static voltages, which can affect your AC display's reliability. Regularly check for and install firmware updates. American Standard provides updates that address software issues causing blank screens. Staying current ensures your system remains reliable and efficient. For extended component lifespan, consider solid-state capacitors. The image compares traditional electrolytic capacitors with more durable solid-state alternatives that better withstand environmental stresses. In summary, proactive maintenance is the key to preventing blank screens. By following these preventive measures, you can ensure your American Standard AC display remains functional and reliable.